Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to format a PC. First, you must back up all your important files and personal data to an external storage device. This is a crucial step to prevent any data loss. Next, prepare your operating system installation media, which could be a USB drive or a DVD. Finally, ensure your computer is connected to a stable power source to avoid interruptions during the formatting process. To begin, restart your computer and boot from the installation media you prepared. You might need to adjust your BIOS or UEFI settings to prioritize booting from the USB drive or DVD. Once the installer loads, follow the on-screen prompts to select your preferred language and region. Then, choose the Install Now option to proceed with the operating system setup. Now, you will manage your disk partitions. Delete all existing partitions on the drive where you want to install the operating system to ensure a completely clean slate. Then, create one new primary partition for your operating system. This new partition will be where your operating system resides. Select this newly created partition and click Next to begin the operating system installation process. After the operating system installation is complete, the next crucial step is to install all necessary device drivers for your computer's hardware. This ensures everything functions correctly. Following that, perform a full operating system update to apply all the latest security patches and improvements. Finally, reinstall your essential applications and restore your backed up personal data to get your PC fully operational.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.